Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a couple of cases for your Galaxy Note 9 by Tech21. Now all of these cases you can get from Tech21.com. I'll throw the links up in the description. Alright, so let's get started. First up, we got the Pure Clear. Now this one is going to run you $35. 10 feet on the drop test scale, ultra thin, anti-yellowing. Let's see anything else. Contains blue shield, stay connected. Alright, here we go. No beast mode necessary. Nice little presentation. Here you go, Pure Clear. The name says it all, Pure Clear. Alright, let's slap this on the Note and see what it looks like. Alright, let's check the razivity on this. Nice amount of razivity. Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. There's your power button, no problems. Easy access to your fingerprint sensor. Let's see how easy it is to get that S Pen out. Easy. Let's check the cutouts. Cutouts, buttons, buttons, cutouts. Let's get a wipe down for dramatic effect. Here we go. The Pure Clear. Nice amount of grip on this one. Anti-yellowing, so you can rock this one every day. All right, let's keep it moving. What we got next? Let's see how easy it is to take this off. Very easy. It's a little drop test. Let's get a wipe down. Keep this Note purple Thanos version looking crispy. All right, next up, we got the Evo Check. Now this one is also going to run you $35. Comes in a bunch of different colors. Now this one is 12 feet on the drop test scale. Ultra thin, lifetime warranty. Can't complain about that. Contains Flex Shock. Flex Shock protects from drops. Remember, we had a hard time saying that last time. Let's try it one more time. Flex Shock protects from drops. Lifetime warranty. Here we go. Evo Check. Now this one has that pattern on the inside. You hear that? That's for drop protection. There's your buttons, cutouts, buttons, cutouts. Now this one has the black tint around it, so this one is definitely not going to change colors. Let's do the wipe down first, then we'll slap the Note in. Here we go. Okay. Another wipe down. I know, I'm sweating like crazy back here, but it is what it is. I should have peeled this plastic off the Note. Evo Check. Now this is my favorite case from Tech21. Got it on all of my phones. Y'all seen this one before. S Pen. Easy access. Let's check the buttons. There's your buttons. Let's check the razivity on this. Nice amount. Now, one thing I forgot to check with the last one was wireless charge. So let me plug in a wireless charger and we'll do that real quick. All right, so let's check wireless charge. Charging right up. Now let's check the Pure Clear just to be safe. Let's pop this one off. Slap the Pure Clear back on. Let's check wireless charge. There we go, charging up. All right, so what else we got? We got another Evo Check, different color. All right, same 12 feet on the drop test scale, ultra thin, lifetime warranty. Let's try this one more time. Flex Shock protects from drops. Okay, here we go. Now, while we got it open already, we got another Evo Check. Let's just get these out the way real quick. All right, two different colors. So this one is kind of pinkish, and this one is a dark blue. Kind of looks purplish, kind of bluish. So if you got the blue Galaxy, you're going to want this color. If you got the Thanos version, get this color. All right, so let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. All right, first, let's try the blue first. Why not? Okay, there's your blue. Wipe down. All the cutouts and buttons are in order. You already know what it is. Now let's try the Thanos version, because that's the one I'm probably going to rock. Here we go. Now look at that. Whew, I got to wipe this down. Yeah, if you got the purple one, this is the one you want. All right, there's your Thanos, your Thanos Galaxy Note. We'll check wireless charge one more time just for fun. On deck. These cases are Slam Boy certified. All right, so this is the Pure Clear and Evo Check, $35 a piece. Now, on a side note, I will be doing the full review in about 2 weeks when I get the retail version. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock won the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.